Good morning, grade 9, my advisory. We are now down to the activity part of your module 1 for fourth quarter. This will be the last quarter for this school year. Fourth quarter, weeks 1 to 4. Okay, heat work, efficiency, and electricity. And of course, as what I had promised last meeting, that we will have an activity for today. Okay, the activity for today is activity 1, identifying terminologies. So there are a lot of terminologies there. All you have to do is to enumerate those. Okay, enumerate and discuss the concepts being asked in each number. Try to answer, type your answers in the space provided. So these are concepts. And of course, you need to identify or enumerate the concept and expound the concept by your own idea. Okay? In the sense that what are the things that you had understood with regards to our discussion, and what comes into your mind, okay, when you hear those words or those concepts. Right? It is not mere just a concept that actually written in your modules, but rather these concepts should be elaborated by your own idea. Right? Question so far?
None, sir.
Question, question. This will be the last module that we'll be having, simply because by the next module that you will have, that you will receive, is actually for your project. Okay, these are set of instructions given for your project. And again, this project is not just an ordinary project, because this is your output for this school year. Okay, I'm just preparing it for you in order for us to materialize this project, and hopefully we can have brilliant outputs for this school year. Right? I think that will be for today, class. Questions so far? Questions?
Sir,
None,
may I
sir.
clarify about the school project? I mean, school
Yeah.
year project. So the
Okay.
concept would be anything to do with our previous lessons in science in
Yeah.
this fourth quarter and going back to first quarter. Okay, thank you.
No. The concept for your project for this fourth quarter is the fourth quarter, okay, module 1 only. Okay.
Okay.
You need just to concentrate on the concept of heat, work, efficiency, and electricity. Okay? We need to focus on the fourth quarter lesson. That's the reason behind.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Okay, any other question? Thank you for asking the question, children. Any other question? Remember that these outputs, physical outputs, will be exhibited if we will allowed already by the Fed.
Wait, excuse me, sir.
Yes, Rabi.
Um, so we have to make it like a diorama.
You can actually make your own diorama, yes. Based on
Just
heat
as
work,
long as the concept shows, sir.
as long as, yes, correct, as long as the concept is there, the science concept is there. Remember that these are learning resource materials, meaning to say that it explains and elaborate or expound the concept. It should expound the concept. And that's it. Do not forget to include your name in your diorama, if in case it is a diorama. Any other question?
It can be a diorama or it can be a diorama or anything basta project.
Yeah. It could be a diorama. It could be a 3D of science concept. If you want to have it in 3D, it could be miniatures of science concept or the actual science concept. It could be. Like, for example, if heat work efficiency, then you need to create a diorama, for example, or a 3D, or the actual science concept of that, or the miniatures. It could. I'll be in school every Friday, so to check your outputs out, take your time because the deadline is this May 13. So most probably you will have a lot of time, ample of time to prepare. Today is April 6. The deadline is May 13. So it's more than 1 month, I guess. So I think you can actually do something about it. You can maximize the time, right?
Yes,
This is
sir.
before the final exam. Okay. The final exam is in the 3rd week of May. It's the final exam. Any other question? Question?
I think none.
Right. How about the others? Are we good with the project?
Yes.
Again, your project, there's nothing, we are not actually talking about expensive ones. Okay. We're not talking about expensive materials. You can recycle any material of your choice. You can use any material of your choice. No worries. As long as it explains the concept. Okay. I will let you see. We still have time. Okay. I will let you see some of the examples of the 3D that was created by my previous students. 3D outputs. Take a look at this one. Hold on. Wait. Learning resources. This is actually a 3D of a human heart. Okay. With the flow of blood. Can you actually see it?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the 3D, the one that I'm telling you, that explains
Yes,
the
sir.
concept. It explains the concept, correct? Because again, as you can see, there are some indicators there. So blue indicates that this is a carbaminohemoglobin. This blood carries carbon dioxide. And red indicates, the red color there indicates that it carries oxygen carrying blood or oxyhemoglobin. Okay, the parts of the heart are there, internal and external. And when you open the heart, you can actually see the flow of blood. This is the blood flow. Okay. Right. This is actually 3D. Okay. Hold on. Let me check on the other outputs. Mhm. You also created a diorama. They also created a diorama. Oh, wait. Let me check on their outputs. Mm, This is 3D. Wait, I'm looking for the diorama. Is that here? I think it's in my other laptop. Anyway, again, those are just few of the examples. Again, that is actually 3D. You can also create your own diorama. You can also create your own 3D, or you can also create your own um, the actual science concept or the miniature concept. It's up to you. Okay. The materials that they actually use are the indigenous materials. Okay. Those are just made of styro and I think tissue paper. And there you go. And poster paint. And that's it. So hopefully you can create more or less more than that, okay, more than that output, and have it exhibited when we are allowed to do so, it will be posted also, or it will be placed on the science lab. Questions so far?
None, sir.
All right.
No
That's all
more.
for today, class. Thank you for your participation. Hopefully, okay, we can have brilliant outputs for this school year. And again, please review your outputs from first quarter to third quarter, because a lot of you has a lot of missed activities. And we will be talking about that also during our during the parents consultation if in case. Okay? Parents consultation that will be happening this Friday. And hopefully your parents are available. I'll be talking to them and explain to them why your grades are there, why your grades are just there, okay? Why your grades also stays on that level, right? And your activities. I will be asking also your parents about your status at home or status at home. Okay? Just inform your parents, heads up, this Friday. Okay? I'll be sending the schedule hopefully by tomorrow, Thursday, or late this afternoon. Right? I think that will be for today, class. Thank you for participation. Grade 9. Have a nice day, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye. Enjoy the rest of the day.
Bye, sir.